Meaning of hyacinth.
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 Hyacinth. Hyacinth refers to a bulbous plant with fragrant flowers that bloom in the spring. The flower heads are usually dense and tightly packed, with a range of colors, including pink, purple, white, and blue. In Greek mythology, a beautiful youth named Hyacinth was accidentally killed by the god Apollo, and from his blood sprang the hyacinth flower. Hyacinths are often grown as ornamental plants, both indoors and outdoors, and their strong scent makes them popular in perfumery. Additionally, hyacinths can also symbolize rebirth, spring, and new beginnings.